Square one. Boston Pizza. Ayan, Boston Pizza. Ayan. Dan ito. Nagtipon-tipon kami ngayon dito. Ayan.
Saan tayo sumusumpot para magkaroon lang ng content. Kaya ito, lahat ng chance na makakuha tayong content, gagawin natin. yung sikat sa Hamilton. Maraming nag-like sa kanya, ha? Sa concert nyo, ha? Hindi ko na nang mukha yung mga iba doon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Boston Pizza at nato nakita natin si DJ Nel at si, of course, si Larissa, co-host niya. Yeah, of course. Yeah, so abang-abang lang at nag-set up pa sila. Every Tuesday nandito sila, every Tuesday night dito sa Boston Pizza. Boston Pizza Square One. Nabilang siya na ng kwan, ng FCBO at saka Papay. Dito sa Square One. So sa mga kaibigan ko dyan dito sa Saga, pagka gusto nyo, you don't need to go downtown for karaoke. Dito lang sa Square One, meron na. You don't need to drive that far. So, abang-abang, nag-set up pa lang sila. Thank you. May mga ilan pa hindi na-upload pero wala na. Ang hirap mag-upload. Ang isang kwan, inaabot ng isang oras kalahati ang pag-upload lang. Ang isang... Tapos ano pa yun? Yung mag-edit pa. Minsan, ganun na lang.
Okay na ang technology ngayon. No, nag-video ako yung videotape pa.
Ha?
Yung videotape pa noon. Ang hirap mag-edit.
Ito ang gustong-gusto ko to. Ito, pag natutuwa mo to. Kasi, ayan ano? Ayan. Kahit na ganun mo, siya pa rin, no? Siya pa rin, no? Di ba? Hindi siya umali.
Okay na.
Pero pwede mo naman siyang katulad nito.
Galing, no?
Diba? Saan ka? Dito. Ha? Ay, dito pala ako nakaharap. Kaya pala hindi kita makita. Ito ng first winter. Oo. So, may konti tayong content dito sa Boston T-shirt Saga. Kasama natin ang tropa. Ladies and gentlemen, Sally and Hector. Sally and Hector. Okay. Pare, punta mo rin kami.
And the whole world fades, I'll always remember us.
Sabihin mo, thank you to Larissa.
Yes. Big round of applause. That was beautiful. Thank you, Larissa. Who's next? Chile Fuentes. Not yet. Pressy.
Your area is a good fishing area. Huh? I always go there for fishing. I always go there. From here, at least 1 hour and. Saka traffic ngayon ng 401 around this time.
Ayaw pa ng Port Perry.
Ingat kayo ha.
Yep.
Paano? Hanggang dito na lang. Sali, hanggang dito na lang.
Sige, ingat din kayo para.
Ingat sir. Ingat kayo ha.
Sige, Doc.
Ingat. Drive safe.
I'm very happy.
Okay.
Thank you.
I met people. I met them.
Drive safe.
Thank you.
Oh, ikaw naman.
We are now here at Boston Pizza. My name is Dr. Chito Colliantes. This is my first time. I am with our photographer, videographer, Mr. Carlito de Guzman, CDG MTV in YouTube.
Thank you.
See us.
Yung lugar na yun, ang Brampton dati, every Thursday night, merong concert doon sa park. May banda talaga tumutugtog doon. Nagkukulang kami. Baksa ng disco. Nagkukulang kami doon. May banda talaga na every Thursday. Mga Led Zeppelin pa yung araw noon, mga Boston.
Alright, presence on stage.
Nakala ko parang dito lang kayo nakatuloy. Ha?
me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me. Pain I'm going through. Please forgive me.
Gusto ko kumanta.
Leave your life with you. Please believe me. Every word I say is true. Please forgive me.
Uy, naka-on pala to. Naka-video, naka-on pa pala. Mag-shoutout ka. Bakit di mo kami kinukunan? O ngayon, kinukunan mo ako. Sabi mo sa akin, no? Bakit sila lang kinukunan mo kami? Hindi tuturo siya sa Pilipinas. Kahit sinasal sa akin sa
Pati yung yung dance group. And the band, right? It's funny.
Remember the smell of your skin. I remember everything. Please forgive me. I know what to do. Please forgive me.
Ayan, shoutout.
Don't deny me. Pain I'm going through. Please forgive me. I need your love with you. Oh, believe me. Every word I say is true.
What's your name? Huh? What's your name? Oh, Cruz. How long you been working in? 6 weeks already? 6 months. Oh. Okay. She's pretty, isn't she?
Right here, right now, on stage, the loving, talented Tessie.
Thank you, especially for Ruben and Presley working it out.
Winnipeg.
Someday, when I'm all alone, and the world is cold, I could keep alone, just thinking of you, and the way you love till now.
Okay.
With your smile so warm and your cheeks, there is nothing for me but to love you, just the way you look tonight.
Ito yung camera videographer natin. Say hi, Philippines. Sabi mo, salita ka. Hi, Philippines. Sabi mo yung pangalan mo.
Your tender touch, tell my feelings apart. How that light and rings your eyes, it touches my foolish heart. Lovely, with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft, there is nothing for me
just the way you look tonight. That's especially for all the lovely ladies here.
So sweet.
Well, each word yours and its hers, tearing my ears. Harder than life, it wrinkles your nerves, it touches my foolish heart.
Alam mo, ang gaganda,
Lovely,
nakakakita siya ng gabi.
never ever change. Keep it
Makakita mo pa siya yung pagpadilim nga, pag ginano mo,
what
parang
you
araw pa.
please, you please me. Cause
Ito
I'm
yung nagagawa nito.
just the way you look tonight.
Pero I need more
The way you
yung ganito kasi matiis na maglobat eh.
Wow, Bessie. That was beautiful. Thank you. Wow. She's signing autographs again in the show. Wow, wow. Amazing job right there. Thank you.
She's a good friend. Pangilan mo na, Angie. Pangilan mo na. Approve, approve. Ate, ate. Ate, ate.
Ginagawa ko, sinesave ko sa device yung pinopost mo. Tapos nilalagay mo sa page yung Facebook. Para doble exposure. Okay yun, okay yun. Very good, like that.
Dito. There we go. Here we go. Yep. In your dreams, just follow. And sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Be strong. For my love will keep through the hopeless night. Through the
Tinawagan nito.
and I'll be there.
Ayan. Mariring kita. Okay, please. Para alam mo ako lang. Nandun, pero irinig ko lang ng konti. Yung magaling kumanta to. Kailangan lang niya may katabi siyang sumasayaw yung kanyang fan. You don't have to go like that. Ganun lang ang gumagano lang. Pero maganda. Pwede siya pagkita sa mga sinyoso. May ano ang kilala. Ang ginagawa niya nag-entertain malalaki ko ng pinatagpunan ng Sunnybrook Hospital. Meron silang doon. Tuwa-tuwa yung mga senior. No, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Yeah. What do you need? Do you need a small speaker? Tapos,
That was beautiful.
okay na?
Chito, and we do Thelma. Thelma's up, Thelma.
Uy, yes! Power play sila eh.
Such a feeling running over. There is wonder in just everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if you were a dream. Everything I want to is not just true, especially for me. And the reason is because you are here. You're the nearest thing together that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world again, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love puts me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has moved my mind, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves of the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a fleeting sense of happiness for and more. There is only one way on my mind. When these days through wonder that I can find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world again, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I find ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the
Beautiful job, round of applause. So, Thelma, Ruben from Markham, Ruben. friends ready? Yes, sir.
I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, a bright blessed day, a dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people around. I see fresh
Ganyan kadilim dito. Pero
say, how do you do?
Kimbo po nakakita sa gabi.
I love you. I hear babies cry. I want to grow. They learn much more than I'll ever know. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Awesome job. That was your band. Thank you. Carlito, brand new singer.
You can smile, every smile for the night you have, we can feel it. But don't forget to stay in your home, in his arms you're gonna be. So darling, save your last dance for me. No, get the music started like someone going out your fun. Laugh and sing, but don't leave your heart free anywhere. And don't forget to stay in your home, in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Baby, don't you say, don't you feel from me? How am I gonna let you go? Oh, I heard you say, you do that. Don't marry on for the night is gone and it's time to go. If you ask, if you're alone, can you let me home? Don't forget to stay home, you're so gonna be. Take the last
With the music spotlight sparkling wine going hot with her. Laugh and sleep, but we're gonna keep your heart to make you warm. Don't forget to stay home. You so you gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. So don't forget to stay home. Or you lose like you gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. 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 Cha cha cha, Mr. Cha Cha dancers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Who's next, Luisa? RC, right now. Bendy? Alma! We can dance. Let's go. Alma. Religion. Amazing dancers. Hi, we have Alma. You guys sing a song?
Mabiniwan.
Bakit?
Sabi niya, wag mo.
Gawin mo na ano?
Hindi, magalit sa akin yan. Galit siya.
When her youthful world was about to fall, each time her slender shoulders bore the weight of all her fears. Sorrow no one hears, still rings at midnight beside
Let it cry.
Maring picture. Ganda mong ganito. Natapakan ko sa
Wow, sweet sounds of Alma right there. Thank you. Who's next, Louisa? Benzing. Benzing, first time after this evening.
nakakalap. Nandito tayo sa Mississauga ngayon. At dito sa Boston Pizza Square 1. Every Tuesday, merong karaoke dito. Yan. Host si Larissa dyan, co-host. Initan ako.
Thank you. That was Benzing. Thank you. Going back top rotation. Percy from Nova Beaches, Philippines. Yeah. Percy.